We have the Gen 3 contaminometer, so that measures ionic impurities or surface residues that are left on a circuit board following the manufacturing process. This machine is very good at capturing any of those residues, those ionic residues. And the process of this measurement is to dip your circuit board assembly into an alcohol water solution, which is circulating through the tank and over the board, and that process extracts ionic residues off of the board, which then pass through a conductivity measurement cell, so it then measures the amount of ionic contamination. You can do that for a whole wide range of boards and components, and the result that you get, you compare that to a library value. So you can use it as a statistical process control. You could use it in the environment of Industry 4, where you're just looking periodically at the process residue budget that's on your circuit boards, and you can relate that back to the library value, and hence whether the product today is fit for purpose.